Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum, Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Christopher at the Union, and we're gonna do a detailed walkthrough of this 2-bedroom. This is on the 18th floor. It's 1808. It's a nice floor, and this is what it looks like outside. Very, very nice. And now we're gonna walk in. By the way, I love the keyless entry. I love that. They do have a regular keyhole as well, but the keyless entry, that's what we're gonna use all the time. You know it's true. So that's what that looks like. Now we've walked in, here's the mudroom, and this has a really open feel. It's got a really cute feel in here in this building. By the way, oh wow, look at that beautiful ceiling. That's just gorgeous, and it's reset. Oh gosh, I love the lighting of this ceiling. Fixtures like that and just designs like that really get me. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view, all these window. I mean, this is high-rise living. To have these kind of windows, these kind of views, it's just beautiful. You've got a phenomenal kitchen. This would be a great entertaining kitchen to have folks over, to have guests over, friends over, business colleagues over. They're gonna love this. This is a great entertaining room. There's also, by the way, speakers, so you can pipe in music and have a pretty fun event here anytime. This is a nice size island. It's beautiful quartz countertop. We've got some space under there for stools, chairs. Look at this gorgeous quartz countertop over here. And then look at these details. I like this. You see that? Oh gosh, I love that. Those features like that. It's really pretty. I like that it even has a window even in the kitchen like this with this incredible downtown views. This is urban, fun, modern at its best. It's just beautiful. All apartments here are also going to come with gas, so you're going to be cooking with gas, and you'll have a warmer section there in the middle too. So this is a beautiful, well-equipped high-rise apartment, luxury apartment with all the appliances that you need. It's got a beautiful fridge, and then you also have a wine fridge there. Just simply gorgeous. Now over here, you do have a desk area, so you can just bring your chair, and then you have a great work from home area that you can use anytime. That's just phenomenal. Love seeing that. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go check out the view on this balcony, and let's go check that out right now.